This affiliate marketing strategy and funnel that I'm going to give to you in this video has generated me a total of $10,163 online. This is so far the period of 2022. This hasn't been over a month or two, but still, this is completely passive. I've done very little work to earn this, but now every single month I'm getting anywhere between $477 and $26 coming into my account while I literally eat, sleep, and poop. I will refresh to show you that this is my live dashboard and not some kind of screenshot or anything like that. Yeah, you can see this is my live dashboard. So considering that I have done very little work without actually doing anything to earn this, because this affiliate program is paying you a monthly income every single month for the rest of your life, it's really good money, especially now that you have a lot of time. You can use this money to invest into other ventures. If you want to spend some money on entertainment, food, you name it, you can do what you want with this. But this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a business like this, start it up, and I'm going to give you everything for free. So I really recommend watch this video until the end so that you don't miss any step. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into this. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, coach, and forex trader from South Africa, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to create your own journey and start your own journey in making money online and follow what I do, and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time and I'm going to get straight into this. The website that I'm using has all sorts of products and categories that you can go and choose from. You've got animals and pets, business and investment products, dance and music, dating, relationship and advice, email marketing, all of these over here. You can read them on the screen. What I recommend is go and choose a niche that you like, something that you're passionate about. I mean, there's nothing better than doing something in a niche that you love and making it your career and making money online or making money with it. So over here, some of my favorite categories that I find really do well is definitely internet marketing and e-business, health and fitness over here, and also education and software are four of my favorite categories that I really find perform the best. The second platform that I'm going to use is a tool that will give you all the following tools. We have a done-for-you website builder, a booking and calendar app, drag and drop email marketing automation tool, which is most important for this strategy, a professional email marketing platform, and an email builder. We've got all sorts of unlimited membership areas where you can go and create your own courses and private membership areas and sell that to your audience. Checkout systems to pay for your product. You can create affiliate marketing systems where you create a product and people can go and promote that product of yours and you can actually pay your affiliates commissions. You've got over here fully SEO on-page optimization. So this entire tool is an all-in-one business builder in a box where we can have funnels, pages, checkouts, membership areas, email automation, even Telegram funnels and WhatsApp automation and Instagram automation. This tool really has everything that you need. And we're going to line this tool up over here with our products and our category on Digistore 24 to go and promote our products and to ultimately maximize our profits and sales with this strategy. If you want to go and grab this tool completely for free for your first 15 days, there's no credit card information. You can cancel anytime after those 15 days, or if you want to use the strategy to literally pay off this tool once the subscription starts, I've got a link down below where you will get over $1,200 worth of bonuses. That's a Telegram support group, your own emails and templates, your own funnel that is done for you, all in the second link in the description to go and grab this. Once you've logged into this tool over here, it will take you to a dashboard that looks like this. We need to go and click on the tools drop down over here. We're going to go and click on Cheetah Website Builder. Go and click on enter. Click on create new website. Go and choose from professional templates. Click on choose. Over here, we can go and search all sorts of done for you landing pages that has been created for us. So if we take a look here, we've got an influencer page structure. We've got all sorts of categories and niches over here. We've got legal theme pages, app funnels, business funnels, direct responsive marketing, health and fitness, marketing and agency. I'm going to go and choose the direct responsive marketing theme or option over here. I'm going to go and choose theme 01, lead magnet page. We can go and click on select this over here. Go and click on save and it will automatically build your website with you within just a couple of seconds. So you'll see once this is done, we can go and click on edit page over here and it will open up your page in the live page builder where we can go and edit our form, our text, our title. This is more or less what the default theme looks like. So I'm going to go and edit this and show you how to edit it so that we can go and use this as our sales page. Once we've got this theme page open here, we want to come back to Digistore 24 and we want to go and choose any product. So I'm going to come over to fitness and health. Again, one of my favorite and highest converting pages. I'm going to go and use, for example, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. Reason being is because you get over 85% commission, which is over $30 or $37 per sale. You'll see over here, if I go and click on the sales page, there's a little link over here. You can actually go and view the sales page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and copy this title. So what I'm going to go and do is I'm going to go and open this title in a new tab. I see it's an image. I'm just going to save this to my PC. I'm then going to come back to my business page builder over here. I'm going to go and delete this text. So we just go right click or click on the delete option. We can go and click on the dropout on the top left. Let's go and look for images. Image, go and drag on horizontal image. Click on it, click on edit elements over here, click on general settings, change image, and you want to go and upload your header over here. So we're going to go click select file and go and upload your heading. Click on it, select save, and over here you can stretch this all the way out just like that. So that's what your title is going to look like. Just make sure to go and center the elements. I'm going to come back to the sales page of the product over here. I'm going to screenshot this screen little video over here. I'm going to come over to Paint. And we can go and add this video to our own page, which will actually make our page look like a video. But when people click to play this video, it will actually take them through the affiliate link to this page over here, which then they can watch the video. And if they buy the product, we make our commission. So I'm going to crop it out just like this. I'm going to click on crop. I'm going to click on save as. Just going to save this over here. I'm then going to come back to my Bowlerall page builder over here. We can delete this image. We can delete this image too. I'm going to click on the dropout here. Again, I'm going to click on horizontal image and drag that over here. We can click on the edit elements, general settings, change image, go and upload that new image. Click on the image and click on save. And over here, we can just go and stretch this out. And what we can then do is we can click on this text over here. Just click on the text. We can go and fill this out and we can say, enter your name and email below to join this webinar. Click on colon and we can click on save over here. For the subtext over here, we can come back to the home page. We can copy this text here. Just come over to our page again and go and paste this over here. Just like that. And for this form over here, this is the important part. We just want to go and click on select list. We can go and choose any list over here. I recommend just go and choose, for example, name and email basic. Click on save. And this is super important because we want to save every single person that enters their name and email on our form to a subscriber list, which we can then send out a series of emails to them to re-promote the product and to increase our conversion rate. So over here, we can go and click on save. This is now complete. The only thing we want to do is we just want to click on this button over here. We want to click on set link. We want to click on subscribe confirm. We just want to go and grab our affiliate link on Digistore 24. Click on promote now. Go and copy your affiliate link. Come back to your page and click on and enter your link over here. Click on select. So that means when people enter their name and email, it's going to take them to this page over here through your affiliate link, which then if they buy this product, which then you're going to get your 85% commission. So we can now click on save over here and our landing page is now complete. You can then come over to this website called freeadvertising247.com. And if you take a look here, this is what other people's ads look like. Some of these ads, these latest ones over here has 160 views. This one over here has 3,000 views. This one has 3,200 views. This one has 16,000 views. So I mean, this one has 400,000 views. So I mean, a lot of these ads over here are literally getting thousands of views, and all you need to do is go and paste your link over here. So that link will be to this page over here. So just go and save your page. You can go and copy the link to this page over here. Come over to the free ads, paste your link. For your short title over here, you can just come back to your sales page over here and go and copy this title or half this title. And for the other description, you can go and copy, for example, maybe this link over here or this description over here. And when people go and see your ad over here, you might get some clicks, you might not, but this is just one way to get a lot of free traffic. The second thing that I really recommend is go and create a TikTok or Instagram reel account in your niche. The reason why is because TikTok is the kind of platform that you can go and get 100,000 views overnight with 0 followers. So go and have a look at some of these TikToks over here. What I recommend is you can also come over to YouTube. A great way to make TikTok content, and a lot of people do this without actually using their own content, is to go and search fitness or hashtag shorts plus fitness, and you go and look for YouTube shorts in the fitness niche. For example, some of these over here. You also want to go and make sure that the filters are on and it is on Creative Commons, and all of this is content over here that you are allowed to go and download, edit into a compilation, and go and repost on TikTok.com, and you will have a couple of views that get thousands of views. And you want to go and set up a profile, maybe something like this over here, where you've got a decent biography with a link over here, and this link over here can be to your landing page over here. This will be this page here. So this is a great way to get a lot of clicks, a lot of signups, and a lot of traffic going to your link is through TikTok. You can use YouTube Shorts and Instagram as well. What I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to give you an entire course on how you can go and build tons of funnels, how to go and put your own affiliate marketing business together with this entire Builderall training course, which will teach you how to create your own courses, your own pages, promote different products on different platforms, including paid and free traffic. All of this content that I've created is completely free on YouTube for you to learn from. I don't charge for any of this content. A lot of this information I've learned from tons of paid courses so that you can now watch for free on YouTube. So if you want to get hold of that playlist, this is the playlist on the screen over here. It's got about 50 to 60 videos of my best Builderall training videos that I've created in the past 2 years. So I recommend go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.